Our next program is to find or to print the sum of digits of a number. Sum of digits means there is a number given 231 which is equals to n. N is the variable in which I have stored this number. So sum of digits means the digits I am using this number are 2, 3 and 1. So I have to calculate 2 plus 3 plus 1, or I can say 1 plus 3 plus 2. So if you can see that if I am adding the ones digit with the next, can I get the digit of this number? Yes. So to calculate the ones of the given number, what I have to do, I will simply find the mod with 10 of given number. Given number is 231 and 231 mod with 10 is equals to 1. You can divide 231 by 10 and the 1 will remain as remainder. So this is equals to number mod with 10. At the same manner, you can find out again the remainder as 3 when I will find the mod of number 23. And at next step, I will find the mod of number only 2 with 10. So look at here how it works. I have take a variable d where I will store the remainder. Remainder means number mod 10. And I have also taken a variable n in which I will update the value of number after every d value. Means whenever you will calculate d at this step, you will again calculate the value of n by what? By dividing the number with 10. And if I am using this symbol in C language, it will calculate its quotient value. And whenever I am going to find again d value of that particular number, what it will take the value of n. Rather than taking 231, this will include the updated value of n, which is already updated to 23. So now I have to calculate again ones of this digit. So I will again find mod with 10 and the process will go on until all the digits have been covered. So look at here. Program has start here. I have take variables n, d and another variable is there s, which I have initialized equal to 0. Why I am taking this value? Because when I will find the value of d which is equal to the remainder, or I can say that ones digit of that number. So I have to store this d value somewhere because I'm every single time I'm updating the value of d variable. So to store the value of d as sum of digits, I will use the variable s here. So simply print a number, then get value of that number. Now just take a loop that when this loop will work. This loop will run, or can say that go on till my number is not equal to 0. It means first I have calculated 231, then next step I will calculate number as 23, at next step I will calculate as 2, and what after 2? Nothing. So if my number is not equal to 0, till then only this loop will run. Whenever my number is equal to 0, it will come out. Clear? So just look at here. This is the same concept. D is the variable where I am storing mod value. S is the variable where I am storing the D's value. because to get result from this variable. Next is the n, where I am getting the updated value of n by dividing 10, which is equal to the quotient. So just look at here what will happen. Suppose the number is 231. At first run, 231 mod 10, what will be equals to it? 1. So I will store simply the d value 1 and s variable. So s initially was equal to 0. So 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Next, we'll find the value of n. Now 231 divided by 10. This will store its quotient value. Quotient value means 10 2s are 20 and 10 3s are 30, which is equal to 23. Now the number n is equal to what? 23. So we'll go back. Again it will start with the value of n, 23. Now n is equal to 23. 23 mod 10 is equal to 3. It's simply remainder. And now d value is equal to 3. The previous value of d was 1. So next updated value will equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Again we'll divide it by 10 and we'll get quotient as 2. The number is not equal to 0, so we'll go again back. Now n, it means 2 mod 10 is equal to 2, because the divisible, or I can say the dividend, is largest, so remainder will be same. Now d updated value is 2, so this will store with the previous value. What was the previous value of s variable? It was 4. So 4 plus d is equal to 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now again 2 by 10. Now when you are dividing this by 10, definitely you are getting quotient is equal to 0, because 10 zeros are 0. You can't go more than that. So now what is the updated value of n? Is equal to 0. So now this will get stopped. Clear? And at last step, what is the updated value of s variable is 6. So you can see here that print the value of s and you will get complete.